I am using the apps PocketVideo and iMovie, but I'm going to start with PocketVideo first. You're going to click on Start a New Project, and then you're going to click on YouTube Vlog, and you're going to click on Title and choose the color background you want. And you have to wait for it to load a long time. And then after it's done loading, you're going to click on the text and clear the text out of the way so it won't ruin the picture of the phone. Next, you're going to go click on Add Photo, and it's going to pop up as GIF or Images, I think. I forgot what it's called, but I scrolled all the way down till I could find a phone that matches the background the closest, which was this one. And so yeah, you have to go back and click to add another slide and click on Title again, and it's gonna be the same color background. Again, you will delete the text, and then after deleting the text, you go to Add Photo, and you need to resize the photo to where it fits the screen, to where it's not oversized too much, so to make it look like at the end of the video that is you know, picking up the phone and stuff visually. I don't know how else to describe it. This one's different. This is just the one with the phone where I'm adding the dial tone. I found the dial tone from Sound Laboratory off of YouTube, and that's what the phone sounds like. It sounds pretty realistic, and you want to, when you add in the iMovie, you want to click on it, and you're going to click Detach, and you have a choice to put it in the background, which is what I did. And this is what it should sound like all together. Oh, I missed a step. Oops. Before, I made this audio on TikTok, and I edited my voice to sound like I'm picking up the phone, which you'll hear in a minute. Hey, what's up? It's Destiny Sleeves. I'm most likely unavailable because I am at the bank depositing checks. Give me a call later.